If you happen to drive one of these big buses, chances are you're probably using the air brakes to slow down or stop your vehicle, just like the most 18-wheelers. So the problem today became the air pressure was becoming too high. So how high is too high? Well, generally accepted number is about 125 psi, anywhere between 100 and 125. 125 seems to be a sweet number. So today's lesson, how to adjust your pressure in your brakes. So let's take a look. Surprisingly, it's rather simple if you can find what you're looking for, and the tools are just about as easy as you can get. So how to adjust your air pressure governor, it's called. So this is what you are looking for. On top of your engine, you're going to have a compressor. Your compressor may be located on a different side or whatever, but it's basically going to be on top of the engine. And then your governor is going to be on top of the compressor. Yours may be different than mine, but basically you're looking for the airline. And this little governor kind of is like maybe a couple of inches wide, maybe 6 inches long, or yours may be different. So here's basically what you need to do. There's a plastic cup, little sealer thing, on the top of it. You remove this, and there are basically two things you need to do. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, which inserts in the slot right here. I don't know if my camera can show that. And you need a little wrench. This is number 11 millimeters. So you loosen this lug, this nut here. You loosen that. You take your flathead screwdriver and you turn it to the right. I found out for each 180 full turn, it gives you, or will reduce the pressure about 20 psi. So in my case, I was running in 150. So I turned about 1 1/4 turn with the screwdriver, slotted in here, and then basically just secured it, tightened the nut, and that's it. That brought the pressure from 150, which is kind of high end and a little on the risky side, to 125, which is more normal. So all you need to do, couple of simple tools. Remove the cap. When done, just replace it. It's a hand tight, nothing special about it, and you'll feel much safer on the road. So now when the engine is running, my pressure is settled at about 125. You can see is the rear and the front air. And the brakes work as they should. So a very cheap fix, easy to do. It takes maybe 10 minutes. You have an option of doing this with the engine running. You may not be comfortable working in the back with all these moving parts around, or you can just do like I did, turn it off, make the adjustment, come back, start the engine, let it run a few minutes, let the pressure build up, see where you are, and make adjustments. 15-20 minutes saves you possibly a few $1,000s if you would have a break in your airline or somewhere and you can't stop the coach. So that would be a problem. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Take care.